AI overviews are changing Google search. Right now, nearly 1 in 5 searches return AI-generated summaries. And this is a massive opportunity if you know how to take advantage of it. The big question is, how do you find the keywords that actually trigger AIOs before your competitors do? Well, the simple answer is, of course, to Google every single keyword that your business targets manually, but let's be honest, no one really has the time for that. The good news is that AIO-triggering actually automates this for you. And today, I'm going to show you how to find these keywords and what to do with them. Let's jump right in. To find what keywords trigger AIOs, go to the competitor research tool, type in the website address and click Analyze. Scroll to the SERP features block. You have two options here. You can either check which AI overviews already feature your content, or find the AIOs that don't mention your website yet. These are your opportunities. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you have the list of AI overview keywords. Now that you have those lists, you can put your insights into actions. Focus on the keywords that don't yet link to your site in AI overviews. Optimizing for them can improve your chances of getting featured. Here's how you can do it. In the Not Linking to the Main section, click the AI Overviews link and get the full list of keywords. Filter out keywords to bring those with high search volume and top 5 ranking positions. Analyze other helpful metrics like difficulty score, search intent, and others. Open live results to check which competitors made it to AIOs and which fragments of their content Google already cites. After you optimize your content for the most important AI overviews, you can start tracking them. Add the most promising keywords to the AI results tracker and get tons of valuable AI-related data and insights. Now, for the bonus tip. Pay attention to all AIO-triggering keywords when doing keyword research. Go to the Keyword Research tool. Enter the keyword and click Analyze. Go to the Keyword Suggestions tab and the SERP Features filter, and find AI overviews in the list. And there you have it, the list of related keywords that can actually trigger AI overviews. From here, you can decide whether or not to integrate them into your strategy. And keep in mind that AI overviews, like SEO in general, evolve from day to day. And what you see today may look different tomorrow. But that's exactly why we at AIO-triggering keep an eye on every little change as it happens, so you are never left empty-handed. Do you want to learn more about this? Just check out the links in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.